Take a look at what is in my hand. This is called a swipe file. This is a copywriting swipe file that I created many months ago. I'm going to explain to you in this video why you need swipe files like this and how to create swipe files for yourself. So what is a copywriting swipe file? Swipe files are any kind of ad that have been written in the past by other copywriters that did well, that you have saved so that you can have access to them easily. So a swipe file could be an email, it could be long form sales pages, it could be VSLs, webinars, it could be Facebook ads. You now save them in any format, maybe PDF format, in video format, or any other format. You now have them accessible to you so that you can read them, look at them, and use them for different things. So why are copywriting swipe files valuable? Number one, it can help you with ideas. Different copywriters have written different ads on different niches and different topics. So having access to that kind of file or swipe file will give you their ideas for free. You can see what they have done in the past that worked. You can see the ideas and the structure of what they did. This is very valuable. You're going to see ideas for headline, ideas for the structure of the copy, ideas for the offer, ideas about big ideas, and ideas about mechanism they use. So you are going to see many things you can have inspiration from. So that's one major use of a swipe file. Secondly, a swipe file can help you improve your copywriting skill. Like I said, this is a swipe file. I printed out this sales page as a physical copy and I started writing on it. As you can see, I made some notes on these sales pages. This is me studying these different sales pages. I studied them and I did this for a few months. My skill really improved after I spent daily time breaking down and analyzing the sales copy of other copywriters. Altogether, I think I analyzed over 20 sales pages and I recorded the videos of my analysis. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can get access to those videos. But for now, just understand that swipe files can help you improve your skill by just studying what other people have written. Okay? So now that you know what are swipe files and why they're valuable, let's talk about how you can make your own swipe file. Number one, you can sign up on different email lists. For example, if you want to build swipe files in the health niche, there are so many health-related businesses all over the place. Some of them are running ads on different social media platforms, even on Google. What you can do is create an email address, use that email address to sign up on these different email lists. As you sign up on these different email lists, they will send you emails, and in those emails you will have links to their sales pages. You can open those links and you're going to see a complete sales page. You can get their emails and you can turn those emails into swipe file emails. So whatever they send to you, you can turn it to swipe file, all right? So if you want to build a swipe file for health sales pages, join those email lists, go to their emails, click the links, you will see their different sales pages, different products. Turn those sales pages into PDF files. Right, it's very easy. Go and click on print, or there are tools you can use. Google it online to turn pages into PDF. Now save those PDF in a folder, maybe on a Google Drive folder, or wherever you want to save them. Do this long enough, and you will have hundreds of sales pages in different niches. Right, so that's how you can build your own swipe file. But if you need a shortcut, you can get the swipe files that other copywriters have built. For example, I have a swipe file with over 200 sales pages and they're all in PDF. So you don't need to stress yourself trying to build your own. You can get mine or get some other ones. And if you want to get access to that swipe file, it's for sale. If you click the link in the comment, you're going to see how you can get the swipe file. Now, if you also want to see the videos that I did while I was breaking down these different sales pages, you can also get the link to that video. It is in the description. Or if you get my comprehensive copywriting program, you can get access to that swipe file and also to the video breakdown for free. Now, if you want to get them for free, you have to get my comprehensive copywriting course. But if you want to get them individually, you're going to have to pay for each of them. So go to the link in the description and the comment, and you're going to get access. All right, so I hope this is helpful to you. If you have questions about swipe files, let me know in the comments. If you want me to teach you about some other things in copywriting, make sure you sign up and get my free resources. See you in my next video. Make sure you subscribe.